Across the highlands, everyone's waking up. Geladas. They live only up here in the mountains of Ethiopia. Woken by a touch of the sun, as has been the way for millions of years. Their luxuriant fur has kept them warm at night, but needs a lot of attention to keep it clean. Life up here is all about simple routine. Easy days beneath the eternal sky. As the day heats up, everyone heads off to find food. Families join up in their hundreds, searching for the best grass. With so many monkeys together, things sometimes get a bit out of hand. Most of the time, no one comes to any harm. It's just the males showing off. All part of the daily routine. As the day ends, it's time to find somewhere to sleep and huddle from the cold. The same as every night they can ever remember. Winter, then summer, summer, then winter, like a whole year in a day. On and on, forever.